Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use Jobber for small business. Okay, so first thing that you are going to do is you have to create your Jobber account. So just open your web browser and then you just have to search for Jobber. That's right. And then you have this first website. So you just have to tap on this one. And then here you can find your plan or start the free trial. Okay, so since we already have our account, I'm just going to log in. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, right here, we just have to add your client first. But before that, um, I just want to tell you that Jobber is an all in one business management app that helps you schedule jobs, track your work, send codes and invoices, and manage your clients. So for step one, we have to start adding our clients. So tap on this one and then tap on the new client option at the top, and then you have to add the primary contact details as well as the property address. And once you are done, you just have to tap on the save client option. You can also add notes like service preferences, special instructions, and the previous work. So this helps you to stay organized and provide better service. Next one is to create the services and your codes. So just go here to the code section. Okay, so tap on the codes option, and then here, for example, you can add basic service package, premium package, or custom jobs. So just create a new code, then create new code. So for example, I'm just going to tap it right here, premium package. Okay, that's right. And then you just have to select your client. And then you can add your services, set your pricing, and then send the code to your client. Okay, so for example, this one. And then you just have to add here price. And then after that, you just have to save this code, or you are going to send this to your client via email or SMS. So clients can approve codes online, making your business look more professional. So once you're done, is you just have to schedule the jobs. So just go here to the schedule section. Okay, so just go to the calendar and then you have to schedule your job. Okay, so create a new job and then assign it to yourself or to your team. So you can also adjust schedules easily, avoid double bookings, and manage multiple clients in one place. So everything stays organized in real time. And then once you're done, you can now view the job details. Just go here. And then on the day of the job, open the Jobber application, tap your scheduled job, and then you'll see the client details, the job instructions, and the service history. So no more confusion, everything is in one place. And then complete the job. So after finishing the work, you can mark the job as complete. So you'd be able to see that right here. And then you can add notes like work done, issues found, recommendations. So this helps you track your work and improve the customer service. And lastly, of course, is the invoice and get paid. So just go here to the invoices. Okay, so you can now create the invoice. So tap on create new invoice. That's right. And then you just have to review your services and then send it via email or SMS. So clients can pay online and Jobber can send automatic reminders. So faster payments, that's equivalent to better cash flow for your business. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.